back, looking at the small little hole in the wall corner, kind of like one of New York's secrets. It's called the 79th Street Boat Basin. There's a old school style of setting, like Spaniard almost. If you're familiar with Puerto Rico, it's almost like El Morro. You can get drinks, little like finger foods and stuff like that. But for some reason, we seem to be lost trying to find this place. And here we are, still searching. Trying to catch it as the sun is going down. Again, NYC. It's supposed to be that big round thing here in the middle. You're supposed to find a pair of stairs that goes down. Oh, I think we found it. It's going down this way. We haven't been here in years, so I hope that this thing is open. If not, then I guess we'll just take a walk by the side of the river. Be careful going down there, baby. Come on. And from the looks of those young men down there, it seems like something is close there.